Hi, welcome to Yoke's YouTube channel. I'm Liz Matthew, the regulated Canadian immigration consultant. Nice to have you all here. Welcome to Yoke's YouTube channel. So what we will be discussing today is in regards to GCKey, how to link your application to your GCKey. It's one of the questions that some people still have doubts how to go about it, why I need to link an application to my GCKey, and when do we really need to use it. So let's dive into the video. So what does linking really mean? It's a term that we use in Canadian immigration. So basically what it simply means is connecting your application to your GCKey account. So every individual does have a GCKey account. You can create a GCKey account if you don't really have one. And you can track your application, you receive IRCC messages, check your application updates online. So that's basically what linking means and what it actually does. And who really needs to link their application? You may need to link your application. Basically, if you are someone who applied your application through paper. Say if you have submitted your paper application and you have received a permanent application number from IRCC, yes, at that point, you can just go ahead, open up your GCKey account and put in the permanent application number and connect it to your GCKey. So if you are someone like that, yes, you need to link your application to the GCKey. And if you applied through a different portal, say the PR portal, the PR portal is where you submit PR applications, be it your AIP, your spousal sponsorship. So if you are someone who submitted your application through that type of portal, yes, once you receive your acknowledgement of receipt, you have received your AOR, you will get an application number with it. And with that application number, yes, you will be able to link it to your GCKey account so you can keep track of what your application progress is and at what step it is. And not every application needs to be linked because certain applications cannot be linked to your GCKey account as well. Before you get started, you will need to link to your GCKey. You will need your application number, your UCI number, your passport number, and a copy of your application. And the information that you enter in the IRCC GCKey account needs to match with what you submitted to IRCC. So if the information that you are entering in the GCKey to link your application is off by a number or a digit, something is not matching, you will not be able to link your application to GCKey. Unfortunately, that's how it works. So whatever you have given in your IRCC application, you need to have a track of it and use that to link it to your GCKey. So basically, let's run down into how to go about this. So if you are someone who is trying to log into your GCKey, just go into Google, type in GCKey login. You will see sign into your IRCC secure account. So that's where you create your GCKey login over there. And the next step, you would choose GCKey username or password. Put in your username and password for your GCKey account. And that will lead you to opening up your account. And once you open up your account, you will see a link in there that says add link your application to your account. That's exactly where you need to click. Once you click in there, you will be led to the next page where it says link an application to this account. So you got to choose the category of the type of application you applied to IRCC. So categories can basically be your citizenship, your ETA, your permanent resident application, your permanent resident cards, your temporary resident application. Followed by that, you got to give your family name, given name, and then your date of birth, basically your date of birth, family name, and given name. Then once that's entered, you got to select which personal information from which of the documents, say like a passport or place of birth. So enter in your passport number, your details on behalf of that, your issue date and your expiry date. And if it's place of birth, yes, the options would show for that as well. So enter the details exactly as provided in your application, then click on search your application. So say if it is a permanent resident Canadian experience class, yes, they will ask for questions such as your province, your city, and your current marital status and the number of family members in your application. Whatever you gave in your application, input that number and hit on search my application. So that will lead you to your result. So if they are able to find your application, yes, you will be able to link your application to your GCKey account, and there you go. You will be able to track your application. As simple as that. So if you are not able to log in at that time, when you hit the search for my application, well, some of the parameters, whatever you have entered, is not right. So you just have to go back and see which is the parameter that needs to be fixed. And sometimes they even are not ready to link, as usually after you receive your AOR, acknowledgement of receipt, is when you will be able to link your application to your GCKey account. So if you are in that position where you've tried multiple times and you know for sure it's the correct information that you have given, so maybe it is not yet time to link your application, keep trying. And sometimes IRCC can have glitches as well. So basically from what we have discussed, what we can summarize is enter exactly as the information shown in your application to link your GCKey account, and the applications not found. Don't really panic. Sometimes it's not yet time to link it, as I just said. And also understand that 5 unsuccessful attempts, you will need to wait for 24 hours before you try again to link your application to your GCKey account. So please have that in mind and be cautious when you try multiple attempts. So if you have found this video helpful, please do subscribe to our channel and let us know what is something that you'd like to hear from us, and we'd be happy to help you out. Reach out to us, and thanks for tuning in. See you all in the next video.